All right, Abusia Yamobibia Kwaba IBPM GH Live, broadcasting live from New York City. American Brochimemu and aha yidi nkwi, but of course, baby obiano eno chiminche say some ya san tikotokobo boku no, but of course channel no GH Live aha and I yedi man to janti amano fo amotime nka mo wachichini benche de ka chemu nyanso nyankropon kwaso nhramo na oma mu dwumadi amudie ni mfra dwumu enkwa dwumu Kotokwa suye ena once again ye bwera na sede enei mumume abatim ne ho na yede kro no saa pepepe ene yede ebeko dwumadi atudi nse kotokwa ahimfie live ewo GH Live so ena yede tuja ede amount say new players aba na de omaye bi pen eye ni yie ene ebeko akogye afutuo se na ebe ya ye nuanom new players ye hwe channel yi wo mo nso ekopie so a wo mo de be ya futuo na omatoa so na kotokwa na fa ne ntuma pa ede efra me did Derek Saint Kizito and ye privilege ye honored say ye super fantastic legend Edema Ghana Boboko football kasiapa the Black Stars of Ghana for that matter Asante Kotoko Boboko no goalkeeper bakon eba bedin komo where titirupa your friend George Kigali yes not just Jumakasia openya ball ewa Ghana bobo mu de esemani ensamo ka kire. Yes, na uhwemua secondi Hazakes wasi akan amomo pen Asante Kotoko ene yedi hu nkomai wasi asinkan kase pa ahoden kwa so de my team no and of course Ashanti Gold Mastery Boboko no ebusua do aso yi free ma enye yie and afin so Ashanti Gold Boboko no said yedi nka so osum Ghana under 23 and the Black Stars of Ghana there edwuma oye there edawanima daja enye me na meka cho enam se wasom yie papa Yegodi nkomo na eni yenuano abon nkomo amaniema awie pe George Owu ewo ye nchen ewa homa yi so George ye mo adwo anase ye mo akwaba ediba America Brochimam GH Live.
Yeah, I'm doing so good day.
Mejiri se bibia aboko de.
Oh, nyame adoma.
Yede nyame ase. Na George we de ye be rem kotokwa di nkomo na sisia George ball no uwo coaching mu anasa sisi a de na ekoso de na wo yo.
Okay, we went to coaching because at times we going na plan so retire so the coach but no be na the plan to summit Tama really been na try say the coach but my license into a person will be my there's a license without compete. That's also a goalkeeping department in very different. Now the coach started from 2020 up to 2022. Coach started now since you know training maybe sana you continue view other clubs say be an clubs the coach this year.
Okay, that's really good. Pass we rem into coaching and the course you didn't pipe pa better wachi na de wo ye no aso abapa na mfaso Ghana nyan ho edra na oda po mu ya sanya more enam se nchiuma eso musua de efiri wo go da no na enye keto akra na ye ni aso odwuma pa oboye na George si a Kotoko ya wo follow kakra last season the name why eso anadu
yeah of course but at times we say also the stretches be 2 years only foundation between at times we a coach, we a management, anytime we follow and be this but we say sometimes when we go the team make a crack, no channel team or master so every started view. So we go because time and na me ade the rock otokono no be I mature but yeah free and was say from the beginning of the day no say Diana is say we I know Diana Odia say so that means in exposure Odia person performing well in that time you call Africa there 2 times we but they try say the trophy na something but it's unfortunate when you League Cup 1 near the more from 2003 but I know we didn't care from now na go there also to winning on the 13 on the 15 and 17 and on the 20 on the 20 they second team for the premiership, you know. So in case of that time Francis Akon so 15, you know, into that time go back up the dada into what they nya foundation no that we share last year team na unfortunately you know coach you then no person be changing but at that time so na players you know we not build it to the extent we need to pop Africa now we about to say the money another new players about coming that's if the one that's open so about Africa there at times you know so many people guys you know no Africa. You know, sometimes any time they are going supporters, you know, only expecting anything big. So over Africa, no you find out what for me, I supporters, you know, but unfortunately, this kind of this regime, you know, first, you know, say, wow, supporters, you know, more US, you know, outside Ghana, we need to present award in the players, you know, into the base of performing well. No yes awards ni exposure or the woman they make you know and I think there also need to miss say be able to my fine now supporters so ma come to me
Megidi say eno na mpanyimfo say de wo kan o mo de be kwa sopam sisi ade o hwe afi recruitment a o mayo ana o mudu suru a da di ke face o mo to mature players na say de wo kan e be for futuo no so na yenya backup e ma team no na under 20 no say de mo boy a kwafo mo e be hye mo no na agina na sisi a new players be brain na ba fire cut down memory lane kakra o first day a ura kotoko no o kai a say na na sitie yani yenu abaku di nkomo say o ye player who for now fi baby basa ura mu a say eh wabetu senior player we wa ha na say one hwe ya ferry kakra bam. How was it say na now first day at Kotoko City?
Okay, Kotoko Mifi Argentina by 2001 that time no Ebert was family ko e Kajigala but later no as I guess for alarm ko manko na 2002 manga so mama back so makatine kuma say o man fa card na mo mamenko then back to as I guess again then the call but those guys am ko to me na me mu do me na bobo or national team indeed. Yeah, there's no pressure there with me so na me bisa e mejena then me feel great to say make me as a friend so me or national team na me bisa ewa
that's really good. Now NCCI Usha Kotokwenya new goalkeeper your friend Mohamed Kamara ya kofa na Guinea waba beka Frederick Asare ho and Fatao sisi nyani nyansa and better goal post num amaye wonso po num na yi adwuma kase pa Usha yenya tenten kase ba ko pa keeper na yenya na Guinea no wa na so wo hu ne height no me ade a esefata wabeka ni Asare ho ne Fatao so dem bi nkan kan ya no say na wo hwe goalkeeping department no yenya the best out of them.
A challenge, but goalkeeping challenge Bema is very good.
Yes.
In any time they are over the Puma, over fight to say, go consider and we see matches. Now we there at times we are foreign, but maybe I don't know the Guinean goalkeeper no or say English can come in him. Because you see, I know about we keep two. How to communicate with the players, even the defenders. Because me call Arab no, Arab Kasano, that you have to be intelligent. Or your movement no what green or did the go no. Into the street and Kasadika Kerese Jina Kwa Ena Taala, a wired, it's me 2, 3, 100 day, free kick, into those things, you know. Also, we see normal language do Ghana. Yes, and so for now, no, I don't know the coach, you know, what for be a better train the language be a simple man with Ghana.
I think center back your friend Joseph Ablo or a Ghana but or a French Kasama. Or no so much of an free Guinea now, but or a Ghana or kind of French.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think it's very good. That goalkeeper also work on him there. Obusu may 5 language in Ghana, which you can post me. Maybe Ediana English in too much. Naturally, we use them 5 language, you know. kakra and Majana. I think the Wutu Winya, Kumasi Funibu, since we see some Fufuna, the Umabana be feeding a day. Or mention Kakanga, and I just saw for now being no, you share Casano is going to be better. So when you're foreign goalkeeper, Obanesa, local goalkeeper is very serious. You see a very challenge. So goalkeeping department in here challenge every department you are challenger or making need to come in. Hey, that's on your challenger. To be going.
Relax it, relax it.
Yeah.
It's true. Now,
because sometimes okay, we'll make tomorrow. Sometimes when we say we are star, will be no makoto aba. Who baba for position, but who banos into be all. I don't think pass over penny. Or but no, who just over from. I mean, we say play at times, which in a bench too much. We are rusty. True. By the grace of God, in the may equip Yala. You make sure that we go keep and watch a woo by mom. Now, I do remember how sweet you drench. They are better Google. Maybe because I challenge myself in my region, send me a best. Into my big team like Kotoko. Also, my challenge you say, me a more best.
Very good.
Into some a good challenge, I am a goalkeeper.
That's really good. Yeah, that's it. Now, one more time, now after training, not personally, more training now. Because because I say standard in a very high tempo game na mo bopa. Say na a dear kwan na mo ya na enema fasa that time.
Oh, we say at times be a extra work apart from the coach now at times you will love we in team we anyway be to my baby we make sure so by a couple match now you make sure say be determined say that you them 3 points because once again Kotoko supporters from Doso now love no more team in the person disappoint you because who knew what Kotoko supporters be too much will be or not the only few channel saying Yamiadu will need game the damano say who is to say this is your career and this is your destiny. Oman to ambassador will be Diago Kumasi. The king, the first time, the second time, when you see the man on the day and bar 7, the Bremen say, you choose you. It was up a year,
Suppose the buy.
No, man, that's a Baby will lead you on the day. Uncle 7. So when you come and say, let me go Kumasi, so maybe you answer. Man, that's a media group. Namu dia cook one and make Jones and John concern about Kumasi some day you man for we in Johnny later. So yeah, because in a bed for work, and I didn't came for those things. It's at times, I make a kind of players, move for margin or some more. Time on about that, time on local training. So we will foreign if you know which are come more than you are, forget it. Asia players go missing foreign, Cameroon, other countries. Which you will come more than that. Also, another country which makes you more than those amounts. That contract or many years, on also follow. Yeah, because in the end times, you are doing exposure. That means that the man, a couple magic crowd Morocco, may have for UK. So those things, are buoyant. Now, at times, why to say, let us see make a record be able to come as well. But it's unfortunate seeing to man just African.
But because you see, yes, for front here, hope set for front to be Ebeba. Now, Kigali, and show way, Kotokono, a binum banner ni jesu, but a reane qua na said you move much crane ye. Kotoko boy Diana, a DNT and an boy a timia ding Emma Binum side. You can be a good player. And so Obama Yano Apaku trust. Diana, this animal.
Sometimes, also, Diana, no problems in the OFC. But apart from Kotokono, we should the way Yanangasa Ghanaian players, the way Omedi J and Conwa clubs and Boa. Well, look at Europe, we have a team for a long time. Why did you trophy make team, but we general concern. One match, you know, the award, even trophies, I watch Yamo, the show, not presenting nice presentation, more. But I know, when we jump on such a way, I say, I will be no local. No matter. But player the should have come apart, no big or premium or no matter. Because Kumasi, the idea will be Diano, supporters in the care. I'm more benefit to him, but the clubs too is supposed to remember you. So nicely no number 4 if you club no. Also the Joe coins are nicely now so. But also under so about no or say we jack the two. Also so the two. We do and I'm so the book maso. I'm cover the sound. Yeah, because you see now, I'm not the name. You get around you. We feel a bit trouble. We feel a bit trouble. We at least mistake around you, which is maybe the Fabian. And they get to work for football, and not Cameroon. And so what the dream position. This is the football because at times, you know, the person will go 90 minutes for the 30 matches later. Unfortunately, you couldn't have fine. Now you pick it up. Now you want to look at your bench. No more for sleeping tablet today. My cook club, my catcher bench. Bench out of it from 1 person at the bench. It was so much challenge a bit to me. But I know that the depend of coaching or the trust. That's a place now for me. No go to turn the industry. Because now, when you are buying players now, supporters will need good results from you. Because you are the top players, you can't give any excuses. You need the other apart from the team good precision, those things and good precision, I'll bet it to that after this, once that thing, we need excuses be as over. You see, I tell you, play the week down choir, or so we don't call you. Once I was so proud in you, and then they ran at the beginning of the campaign. Now, I will be there, supporters will be free. Yes, I didn't know, but you really know, oh, my God. Yes, I can hear you, now go much be oh, so I call, we should call, oh, my God. I see it all open. Yes. What you know, so it's Sunday now, so we should only to me. Of course.
Yeah, of course. If we take it clear from that, now yet me at was the part at the free. And now, George, who are Kotokono? Any layer of free Kotokoi, a dear pa now Kaiser Ubi, France, no year ma, and also be a dear beer and dear in free Timoda. Kotoko support is so much special apparently.
Of course, I can't say a woman to be able to the drinks. Now, maybe the brain, the support here, and to boost our energy for the game. No, so say, we now more. I can't say what we so can be between attitudes, can do go at the game, and we can. And one of the degree, no meaning Yana would talk. Supporters none of what tomorrow. The woman didn't quit, Kaka, make trial, my best and say no, we should know one more, and we can. There's no need so disappointment. Supporters at times when we try so many great players and I want to. I think the supporters in the Omayadi. Oh, say, who for me, I'll be to make a may chose Akawi, may chose idea with El Majana. By this time, they have been in Union. Sometimes push you to my stop. If you are an old policeman, not a dojo, Kotoko, also Chumuko. Hey, today, but nice over you, may.
We are Jumani ya at the Akachapa at the back, no prepare now.
Yeah.
George, what may a futu sempa, the interior frail, and 1 year because you said you compare more time, no, and they are new players we bring so abeno. If you be uncover now, almost funny, quick. Now, Kotokone has and then there a baby. no who assess team ni say na nya emma no de but kaka hu ye net say ma from goalkeeping
kaka hu de we say so much both side in na determine e wo mechana so we need that nyame adom kotoko we need game we show good example there kotoko share us on the road 3 matches e wo mechana but has unfortunately a young man penny star e wo mechana. But I think that this year, so almost started this. I will be paying me. I will be to my continue, sir. Now, about boating, so that the team will move forward.
That's really good. Yeah, that's it. Still, our protocol no new hot, so follow Nabibia Coso George, and you bet that's ye pa America Highway there. It's for no any budget, so better can the papa. The trading for young crop was shown on social na. Omo bibia no enkoso na enye nkunimdie na ka bibi twatwo na enginja supporters na afi omuntimi ko stadium na yempe empty seat bia afi e dey na be ka chere fans
okay I see we ka come ka chere fans we say kotoko team bia ayiku ku so de bi na na be da we see supporters na because without supporters there's no team. So we try to no matter what other win or shine, we try to my supporting team now players also Roma supporters in good matches and good wins and that more coaching is on try the best so go to train because players there will pay their matamo and they try our best and kakotoko ba na the teams with the no journey so players you be do message but players also say only you when you feel too much say very good in time. When you say open training baba no with your phone so those things mean I want that also we say no football or your professional we the club no so we born so we can go answer no be sure no so we make mark ni kubaso the supporters na ngasa chawade we so me chawade until I think the kotoko supporters there obiala na kuma I say Diana the good from Kakano Yaman cannot commenting him. No so continue no supporting team because we are Diana also support Kotoko support Manchester and Liverpool. Fine. But I would I try say that package and they be able to my fine. Because I think they you can phone back try so my supporters GC Amo are rep will be able to match to be now kotoko supporters only taking on the circus serious. The leaders of the circus only taking it serious. I will not only to him. It was circus Ebwa degree. With that circus there's no team. Only now can bam match there will be also for no way. No more bonomi to be the to your fine. But I mean Jaum which so Jaum keke. Now we back Boba match now. Also to get the circus I'll be able before we start this season, get the circus no new meeting, no be not commenting game. It is almost so now we play a supporters and Casa, and only your opportunity woman players in the Casa in some of my canon, there's another issue of the E and comfort in it was saying near. Then 7 break a come work and that's the bring so friend that I think it is very good in time.
Thank you so much, George Kigali. Na Kigali no way there ukwe that obi enim bebre nim a ye de enim na Kigali na yeda na ebeto so kai kakra kai.
Okay, 2005 Yakobo qualified season Rwanda. Then Nyamia Domo performed very well. Now on the side in the money that's good among us that very day. Then it was shock. Na you want kasa. But Nyamia Domo on the side in the money George Kigali. Now we should I supreme Nigeria supreme. At times we you may see no including the tour is very good. First, young presenters son of me who performer no me give that more. No major.
George Nyame Oishrao na on Tetra Washim. na wo ho ma ye da bia se ne be ya kirimdi ebeba nyankopon hira wo pa se woni adi nko
okay so that's it okay
eno yenia George Kigali ene no akobo nkomo no yes GH live official Asante Kotoko ahimfi ene atena so no ahimfi ade biepono na yewura ba bia yaka se wo a obeye Kotoko dwuma ni yie ene ebeba wo nchen ni aba bagye afutuo nam se be queen din fatana enye dam yase okon ano ena efata no na George Kigali ninsa odi ba grab ball no that it said they were grab no enya grokra George ena ene no akwakodi nkomo na wa chechire niemam futuo bebre agye mensem ba kokra ne se oba Kotoko no otohwa na mama akoma 7 oba bi lidi omba se waba itim obesom Asante man ti yanso ya pese ya besom wo ma 7 egina ha yimba akon na George say me dem free ai sekune se me ba ba adwuma o na mama se me ba bi man ti o de minu ama me sere mo ntena se na serve obia Coca-Cola omunum wie na o se mfa asomdwe nko ti se Methodist for ana se SD for enchia no na o de asomdwe gya o mo kwan nti nso ya footballer a wa ba man no so o mo ho ba mo mfa asomdwe nko said George eye no enkoye na bia na akoye a omode bobeba fom otu ya fosi yem hwe yie mobile phones mo hwe ne yie nya fe na abukọ na Vienna City said boys you be na rather there be mo yesa mo kuma se fo no bedwa mo yesa mo meme na abatim no ebeba fom yenso yem pese ebeba fom George nyame ensure George yie pa yadana say so am atin some what they say this is eye opener a futuo pa and the first time any artist say me say a man so 7 say yimbi osom Kotoko ntianso ya pese ya besom wo Kotoko de me wow and also no GH live bomodien na di achi ne mfa nkwani J Chrome e wa gudie kwan so that is sports na Asante Kotoko for that matter na bibia enwi peye subscribe we na infra dumu enkwadumu na yenhu sede nsusu aso pa ebekwa maye
Subscribe to GH Live.
Everybody, GH Live,